Up to 80% of a building's lifecycle costs occur after it's built, so what gets specified at the start matters for a long time. Energy infrastructure must allow for change, because once the building is operational, every upgrade and replacement adds up. That challenge grows when buildings are locked into ecosystems that make change expensive.
Our modular approach helps you configure systems for today's needs and tomorrow's unknowns.
With modular distribution, adaptable cable management, and integrated connectivity, we help you design with clarity and confidence, so you can install faster and build in long-term compatibility. And as demands evolve, energy infrastructure can scale, maintaining flexibility and minimizing lifecycle costs along the way. Better buildings are powered by modularity.